Hi guys, welcome to XLFE basic tutorial video. Today I'll show you how to create a basic self-progress report within an Excel sheet. After that we write the subject code within the cell. Subject code is a specific code given by the institute or university, and it may be in different formats. Here the subject code comes out of the cell. To fix this problem we double-click on the column tab. Now the cell width autofit with text. Now, we'll create another heading for the subject name. It also comes out of cell. Again repeat the same process as subject code. We can also increase the width of cell by dragging left click. Double click on the cell tab, it will adjust to autofit only, but dragging doesn't autofit the cell, it adjusts length you drag. As you can see we've created both heading, subject code as well as subject name. We'll create another heading, subject type, means which types of subject is. This heading will help me to tell which type of subject is, such as practical-based subject or theory-based subject. Now we'll create another heading for the days. Here is the day first. I don't type a single digit format 1, instead of this I like to choose as 0, 1 format. Now I will drag the mouse with the left click from the bottom right cell, and drag it till the desired value, but I'd like to create till 7th day. As you can check here that I've created series in horizontal way, in a single row. You can also create in vertical way, in a single column. Now, we'll enter random subject code value. You choose whatever you want or provided by your school or institute. Now, we'll enter random subject name value. You choose whatever you want. I'm writing here, English Communication, as a subject name. Now, we'll enter subject type. Here English Communication is theory-based subject, but you choose whatever you want. You can edit the cell using shortcut key, F2, or double-click on the cell, and change as practical if you want. Sometimes, you may have more than 2 types and don't want entry values manually, then you can also create a drop-down list. To create a drop-down list, you have to select the cell and use shortcut key, Alt plus A, double V. Data validation window will be open. Select the list option under the Allow menu. And enter the list values you want to see in the drop-down list. Keep in mind, it should be in a comma separated values. Click on the OK. The drop-down list has been created. You can also delete the selected value by using delete key. But keep in mind it doesn't delete values of drop-down list, it clears the value in the selected cell only. Here I also want to create another last heading for the total. I want to enter new line, but before this, I want format as table quickly. Won't select all, outside of range row. Instead of this, select a cell, and press Ctrl to select the range. Format as a table quickly, we press Ctrl plus T. Because we have headings, so we check the My Table has header, and click on the OK. Now the range formatted as a table quickly. You can also increase the rows by dragging bottom right of the menu. The table created by using Format as Table, it creates band formatting color, such one dark line and one light line, rows by row. You can change these formats using Table Format option.